guys, welcome back for another video. So today I'm here and I'm going to be like rating my slimes, like my butters, because I have calendar slimes, and then this new slime, which is my calendar. Alrighty. And it's really like early and just like not awake. Yeah. And where my elf was hiding today, she took one of my slimes and took the top off of it and is hiding in the blender. So, but yeah, this is how big the slime is. It's sandy. I made this one. The other ones I didn't. Well, some of them I actually like mix stuff. But you know, where's my white? Is my white slime in there? My white slime is not in there. I wonder if it's underneath. Oh, my white slime's over here. Okay. Here's my white slime. So I remember slimes are just all downstairs. But like I just don't feel like grabbing up because there's already a little bit up here that I keep using here. There's a lot too, obviously, and just in case if I get bored, because I just also got from being sick. Okay. So after rating this, it doesn't make bubbles or good pops. So, but the clicks are okay. It just the stretchiness is awesome. I love this. But to be honest, I actually really like this slime. I think I'm gonna do like an 8.1 out of 10. You guys can comment what your favorite one is if the comments are turned on. I don't know if they are though. So, yeah. Let's put this big jumbo thing back. Whoa. And also, I have lotion over here just in case if I need to fix up slimes. That is, yeah. Yeah, so if I keep rubbing my eyes with my arms, I'm very sorry, guys. They just keep on having crusted up. It's because they're drying out and leaking and stuff. My mouth side. And there's also some added too. I'll show you guys those. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 2, 4, 6. 8. Yeah, I have 8 slimes up here. And 2, 4 add-ins. I think 4. So I'll show you guys the add-ins first. So it's these little glitters. I got this one yesterday. I got this one today. And I also got a black one yesterday. And I also got a purple one yesterday, I think. Pretty sure purple one yesterday. So, yeah. And as you guys can see, I added some black to this one. And some purple beads to this. Nothing of that, nothing of that. Oh, some stars. This one has little dots. I'm pretty sure one has a charm. I'm not quite sure which one though. And I'm going to be adding glitters and charms today. Also, so I'm going to start off with these ones because I think that these ones are going to be the worst ones. So, because they're the same kind. Oh yeah, this is really dried out. Holy crap. You guys can't see that. It's really dried out. I'm going to add some some lotion to it, and I'm just going to put them together. These together. Just added a little bit of lotion to start off. It's kind of working. Sorry if this video turns out to be really long just because of some slimes. Wait, 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, 9 slimes because I didn't count my big one. So this is starting to get a little better. I'm gonna add some different lotion because this one's like my best lotion I have. And this smells really good. This was very good, guys. And as you guys can see, those two lotions are really helping the slime. So one of them is the New York City Blossom, NYC, and then the Spa Luxury Rose and Vanilla Scented Hand Cream. It's really, really good. You guys could stop this video and, sorry if I stuttered, look them up. Just to fix up your slimes. So this color should be white and this one should be pink. But it doesn't color your slime, which is a good thing. Because it's just so excited. Because it doesn't color your hands, does it? Nope. Here we go. This is the slime that I know. And if you guys are wondering why if you guys could see this, I think you guys could have. I don't know. But if you guys did, this is stop lotion. It's scrubbing glove for my face. My cat's off there. Mishi, they don't want to see your butt. There you go. I think I scared him. Ice. Anyways, that's what this in half. Cha. That's not in half. But we'll deal with that. This is like the measures from before. So these are the first two ones. I think I'm gonna go like worst to best. I'm going to rate this slime. Since I fixed it up, I think I really liked it. I think it was gonna go from a 4 to probably a 7. Now 6. Let's do yellow. Ooh, I added like these foam beads this one. It's really stringy and I don't know if I like that. See? Just really gosh darn stringy. Yeah, I don't like this one. We'll just add this to it. It's a big charm for a small slime. So it's just gonna be like this. And I'm gonna rate that probably a 4. I didn't. It's okay. It's not the best. Next one is this white one. Oh my god, this one stings my eyes because I add this special stuffed owl bit, which I don't know if it actually did. Oh my god, it stings so bad. Is it not like that? Please stop calling, you've been dishonest. Stop, you done enough. I think I sang that right. I don't know if I did or not. It's one of my new favorite songs, though. It's stinging my eyes so bad. Oh my god. This one, because of the eye sting, it's probably gonna have to be an 8. Because otherwise, it's a pretty good slime. Could add some color to it, but I'm not going to. What's in here? I don't think anything is. I'm just gonna add this rainbow thing. That stinging my eyes so bad. Sink that in. Please stop calling, you've been... Okay, now I'm just gonna dip my hands in this right here. That's much better. Oh, yeah. Stop you, da, da, da. Okay, that's slightly better. Anyways, I still have these 2 glitters left. That's all I have. Yes, sir. Let's put this aside. So this was like pure glitter. And this one's kind of like flappies. They're very like shiny. Mishi. Is it not snowing? It's not snowing, bro. Oh, I'm going to say those too. I don't think that this is still like not good. Oh, Mishi, that's not good. Mishi, stop. You can't stick your head in that. Mishi, no head. Get off. Oh my gosh, let me see what he's looking at. Because this is like... You're looking at nothing, Mishi. What are you doing? There's nothing out there. There's nothing out there. Weirdo. Anyways, we were continuing to open this up. But, bro, they don't want to see your butt crack, Mishi. This one's a little glossy. It has some hairs in it. It's disgusting. Ew, it's long too. It's not my hair. Because it's not my color. Oh, that's disgusting. I do have a little charm in it. It's this little, like, it's this rainbow candy, which is really hard to see. Because it was dipped in the slime. But it's this little rainbow candy. And then, I'm just going to pull this one on Mishi now. We could add just some scented, or just adding a drop, because it could add some, or it could use some. And then we're gonna add these flaps, because this one already has stuff in it, and then this pink glitter can go, I don't know if you saw that, pink glitter can go into this side. Guys, please don't use your teeth. Oh! I made it! Oh, okay. Please don't use your teeth at home. Please don't. Vegeta is this? There's a lot more than I expected. Holy crap. I thought they were gonna be bigger, guys. You guys can't even see how much. And there's some even on the table. It's just crazy. Look at that's a lot of stuff, my guy. Oh, now you guys can see better video. I think this is the same video, whatever. Stop you, da, da, da. You guys can hardly see this stuff, mostly, but, ooh, that was a big pop. I said, ooh, that's really good. So like green apples, yum, yum, yum. Anyways, I think I'm going to censor this. Oh, wait, set this. I mean, oh my god, I'm not awake yet. Phew! Lost myself. Oh my god, I can still smell that white slime. It's so strong. I'm going to rate it probably a 9. I actually really like 9.5. This is a really good slime. Please start calling you been sorry. To fish for the scars and to put me through enough. And then we have this light pink slime. It's wet. Oh, I forgot I have this little snowflake in it. I have my Christmas tree downstairs, guys. I'll be right back. Here's my Christmas tree, guys. Oh my god, I shaped as a Christmas tree too. That's crazy. Okay. Sorry, guys, I'm really out of breath right now. Because I just ran. We're gonna add it to this green slime. Bloop. Looks like this. Anyways, let's add this. So satisfying. Oh, it's so pretty too. I don't like the color pink, but right now this is really pretty. I'm not lying. It has little white stars in it too. Forgot I added those. I think that's what I got yesterday, white stars. So it wasn't purple. I think it was white, yeah. And I got this charm a couple of days ago. I'm trying to get the most slime off as I can, so I can show you guys this snowflake. Try to at least get the perimeter of it. It'll be hard to get the area, but that's fine. This is what the snowflake looks like. Plop it back in. This slime is really good, but it's not as good as the green one. I'm gonna have to say 8.5. We have to add the snowflake to the top. You'll hardly be able to see it. Yeah, I'm not going to. Only the new charms will be going on the top. Just except for the rainbow. This rainbow candy. It's big enough. I also need more butter slimes for Christmas because I'm like obsessed with them. And if you guys can't see this, but I like literally have my slimes in order right now. I'm not even joking. This slime is so good. I think that this one might be my favorite one. Oh my god. Wait, this is really good. It smells like oops, that was a little loud. It smells like strawberries. Oh my god. That's literally like the best scent in the universe. I'm not even like joking right now. It's literally it. Oh gosh, what was that? What was that noise? It's pretty loud and obnoxious, but yeah. I'm just gonna put the lotions away. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my god. It literally smells like strawberries. And it looks like strawberry too. Cause look. Those could be the seeds. Oh, I wonder if we would eat a strawberry charm. That would be amazing. This literally is like my favorite slime. 10 out of 10. Whoops. Oh, no hair. That's surprising. Let's put this back and then I'll show you the setup that I did have. So they tries, put me through it all. Okay, here are the slimes. Yeah, we're just gonna put them back into the container now. Whoops. It's like, what? So here's how I put it back. And we're just gonna grab the top to it, which is gnome for the holidays. Because it's a gnome box. And then here's the box. Let's put these. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to, if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!